in evening gown and barang competition. Let's give them a round of applause. They all look great and gorgeous tonight, but let us get to know them better as we proceed to the interview portion with, of course, a new twin in the interview competition, a picture interpretation. May I have the first batch of candidates?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Sabbath. For me, this picture represents a structure which uses for the crucifixion of our Jesus Christ. It is emblem for Christianity. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number one.
That's all.
Thank you so much. Candidate number two. Before I proceed to our next candidate, this is your picture.
The picture symbolizes drugs. Drugs are medicines that can ruin one's life, and we should avoid it if we want to achieve our goals. That's all.
Good evening, candidate number four. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. What course are you taking up?
Business ads.
Business administration. After graduation, if you will be given to run a business, what particular business would you like to be engaged in?
Nandito ko sa
Peanut candy.
Peanut candy is truly an adaptation. Pick your, it shows next slide. This is it.
This picture shows education is very important dahil ito ang hindi sa atin nakukuha ng ibang tao. Dahil ito lang ang ating kayamanan.
Thank you so much, candidate number four, and good luck to you. Thank you, ladies. I will see you back in a moment.